Let's look into basic user interface and functionality of Instacast software. Instacast is perfect solution for real-time live lecture capture software which run on your Windows PC and laptop. This is output preview. Output preview shows you real-time preview of output which is going to record or capture and live stream. In output setting you can set resolution, recording and streaming setting. On board recorder you can start, stop and pause capture or recording. On board streamer you can start or stop live streaming from here. Overlay you can instantly show or hide logo, scroll, title and from setting you can edit content. Web source setting, click to set website as input. If you want to use it in input, set WSS file name in media setting. Window capture tool, open and select window you want to capture as input. Using NDI you can get it as input. Mute programmed out audio, check or unchecked whether you want audio in recording and output. Headphone audio on, off. If you want to listen audio on headphone or speaker, check it. On the right side top it's set gallery. You can choose set category by click on desired category. To load preset just click on thumbnail of set. In bottom right you can see media gallery for back, front and monitor media. You can add or delete media from gallery using add delete button. In bottom left you can see two input preview that's represented as anchor and monitor inputs. Click on setting to select device from which you want to take live input for anchor, such as your webcam. To select media or image for monitor input, you can set it using setting button. From monitor gallery just click on desired media thumbnail to set it as monitor input. That's it. If you want more information and software demo you can contact +91 88 300 12394. You can also get more information online on www.capturelecture.com. Thanks.